What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on, and I think they have a decent potential for either flip, and if you really like the project you can keep. But here's a problem. Lately it's just so many projects after the sellout they're getting little momentum, and then after that they're just kind of dying out. And another thing, not every project even selling out, even if it's a free mint. But this is the 3 ones that I'm going to show you. I think they have a decent potential. And as usual, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project, it's called Levitating Dots. It's a free mint, just dots. So if you are a collab manager, you can reach out to this person for collab, and they already have a website, and at the time of recording they have 23,000 followers. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, some of their posts, they're getting this engagement. And like for example, this post right here, this is all of their collab partners. So they've been collabing with very known and hype partners in this space. So like Project Gajira, Llamaverse, Zooverse, Dark Echelon, and many more. So this is one of them. The second project, it's called the Elf Kingdom free mint. So the supply is going to be 4,444 free mint. Also, if you're a collab manager, you can reach out to this individual and hopefully get a whitelist spot either for yourself, your community, or whoever you're going to be collabing for. And then they only have 8,000 followers, but I think this project's at a very early stage and they don't have that many posts. They only, I think, have 6 tweets, but they also looks like collabing with Project Gajira. And as you can see, their posts getting decent interaction, and this is going to be pixelated art. So I'm not sure if it's just going to be like another DGen or this is actually going to be some kind of game or something like that. And then the last project, it's called Nova 9 free mint. They already have a website, they have a Discord, Linktree, and at the time of recording this video they have a little over 10,000 followers. And then if we scroll down, they start posting a while back, November 30th 2022, but then as you can see, some recent posts also getting decent interaction. Not too hyped, but maybe it's going to be not so hard to get a whitelist spot for this project as well. And this is pretty much it. This is the 3 projects that I found free mint and the ones that I'm keeping my eye on, at least at the moment. All the projects that I talk about in this video, I'm going to leave links in the description below, and hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.